What's up, YouTube? How you doing out there? Well, welcome to Seawood's channel. It's your host, Lionel Seawood. Today, I got another unboxing video of some Bluedio headphones. Now, they have been out for a couple of months or so, but it's the first time I had them, so I got to do my take on them. I have here is the Bluedio Vinyl in blue. I haven't seen too many people with this color, so I figured, hell, let me go to buy the blue kind and see how and what they look like and sound like. So here we go, Bluedio Vinyl in blue. Okay, I finally have it open. It took a while, but I finally got it. Let's open her up. Next thing you see after I open it, right here is where instruction manual, books, anything you want to read, anything about the device, it's all right there. Now it's interesting because all the other pair of headphones I bought never was covered up like that. Oh well. Cool. That means they're all inside this own little personal carrying case. I like that. It's a nice blue color. They have this little plastic protective stuff on here. Man, they feel good. They almost feel like the Bluedio T3s and T3 Pluses. The headphones swivel. Let me go to put them on real quick. I'm not going to pair them just yet. Put them on, that way you can see what they look like. Actually, before I put them on, they're not heavy. They're not as heavy as the T3s, but they're heavier than the Airs. I don't know what you want to call that, but they feel pretty good. They feel pretty good. Nice soft padding on them. I like it. Oh yeah, and of course since they swivel, let's see. You're supposed to be able to swivel them out the way. I guess like for a DJ, I don't know, they look kind of funny. Look like I got Mickey Mouse ears. Anyway, that's the headphones. Here's a case. Now let's see what's inside this pouch here. You have regular 3.5mm audio cables with remote and mic. So this is the one with the remote and mic. This is your regular 3.5mm cable to plug in from your headphones down to your phone. This is your Y cable, your Y audio cable. And this is your micro USB charging cable. Grab my phone. I'm using a iPhone 6s Plus. I'm gonna turn them on and pair them to the phone, see how they sound. After going through a couple songs off my iPhone, this is kind of comparing it to the Bluedio T3s in a way. I noticed, at least compared to them, the bass isn't as heavy, but the highs and mids are probably a little bit higher. So these headphones are definitely not as bass heavy as the T3s. So if you don't like a lot of bass, these will probably be a little bit better for you. And they're probably a little bit more bass than the Bluedio Airs. So these probably more of a like an in between the two headphones, the Airs and the T3s. They do have a 3D button which adds more bass in there. You just hit the plus, which is be the volume up, and this little button back here, which is like a pause button, like a little oval type button. You just hit those at the same time and turns your 3D on, and to turn it off you hit the minus button and that button, the oval button, pause button or whatever, and that turns your 3D off. You can definitely tell when 3D's on and 3D's off, so because it one makes the little sound doon doon. Then if you got a bass heavy song, the bass will definitely kick down a lot. Then you got your, I guess, a dedicated on off switch. Let me go to turn them off. Yep, power off. So that button there is a dedicated on off, so that's pretty cool. And this is actually a switch, not a button that you have to push and hold. So you just hit the switch, come on automatically, which is something different than I've personally never seen on Bluedio headphones. And trust me, I have a lot of them. I've never seen that before. Overall, I like the look. I definitely like the look, and I like the feel of them. They're not heavy. As far as if you're a jogger, walker, I think they'll be a lot better for you versus if you was going for the T3s, just for jogging and walking. Now, if you're going for a lot of bass, let me just scratch all that. It just depends on what type of genre of music you listen to. So, as far as jogging and walking, I think they'll do a lot better since they're a lot lighter in the hand, at least, and feels good on the head. So they don't seem to have that squeezing effect, I guess, as the T3s had. I guess a lot of people on YouTube probably complain about that after a long period of time they started hurting. So man, give me a few days and I'll be back with a final review on them, compared to how they sound and how they feel. So I'll definitely be able to let you know then if they have that squeezing effect, which for me, I never had that happen, but I know a lot of people personally that did have it happen. So we'll just see. Anyway, that is my unboxing of the Bluedio Vinyls in blue. There you go. Peace.